Welcome to the KMT Traders channel. We are looking to have a look at all of the profits that we've made this week. So we'll look at each chart individually and explain the positions that we have gone through. So just before we start, quick way to get in on all of our trades or like what we're looking at is to follow our Twitter, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well for all of our notifications and the videos and the analysis as well. So get into the first pair. We're looking at pound US dollar. So a lot of drawing here that we predicted, but what we do is we kind of, because we're looking in the weeks in advance, we kind of have to draw up all the different types of scenarios and then find out which one is kind of working. So we projected that we was either gonna move upwards, obviously, or move downwards. But in terms of how price reacted to all of our levels, we found support in this zone here at 1.2096, and this became support. And so roughly we managed to get the retest of a support level here, and we're currently still riding this wave. So we are approximately just heading over to 150 pips with that. I'm recording this a bit earlier than normally, but this is why we're still running with the trade. So yeah, so that is with the pound US dollar. Moving on to Euro USD. So we was looking for price to kind of react to this level in this zone level here, so at 1.11102, but price managed to almost fail to close above that or close within that. We had a tap here, but the bottom of our trend line here in purple was part of our support, so we managed to find support in this area here, and we almost got above here, and we're currently still riding this for roughly about 50 pips. We'll see where we can go, but I believe that we should be closing this soon just because we're approaching this key level point here. That's 1.11365. So that's a 50 pip on that one. Currently it's still active. Moving to USD JPY. So this, if you can see this drawing here, this actually played out correctly. The other two didn't work out, but the reason why this took place is because we got the break of the trend line here, and then we found a resistance potential level here, and we shorted in the region of up here, and this is still currently in line, and this is roughly 140, but we're aiming towards here if we could at 165, but like I said, it's still running until the end of the day. Moving on to gold. Okay, so we was anticipating the push to test this level here, 1490. What we ended up doing was we didn't find the exact entry point here, but we got the almost like the tip touch, so we got in the reversal point here. As we can see, this zone here, we got that reversal and the test and the retouch. So we didn't make as much, but approximately 121 pips on that one before the reversal came just this afternoon, and that sent all the way back up to test 1533. So that is obviously going to be covered in the analysis video that we put out later. Moving on to Bitcoin. So this level that we've got drawn here in the purple, in the yellow box, price had broken the downtrend here, and then we was looking for a support level. We got the initial tap here. We didn't exactly get in the entry here, but we could have, just because it was too late and we just missed the entry. But approximately 5.8%, 5.5 percent increase on that one. And we could expect a reversal point soon here, just because we're reaching our key level point at 10422. And finally, Ripple. So yeah, we almost said that we wanted price to come to touch this level as it was acting as valid support, and we managed to get that here to touch here, and this ended up pushing up all the way for approximately 6%. So that's a good call for Ripple. So with all of that, with this week, that was a good week. Like I said, if you want to get involved with how we're looking to trade, etc., we post all our updates on our Twitter. So definitely get to follow that if that is of interest to yourself. And finally, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all of our notifications on our analysis videos. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you next week.